Hi and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be covering the basics around credit privacy numbers. So let's get started. What are credit privacy numbers? Credit privacy numbers are 100% a scam. Point blank, it's a scam, don't fall for it. They are not a legitimate means in order to reestablish or create a clean credit profile. They're sometimes called credit privacy numbers, credit protection numbers, or sometimes they're called credit profile numbers. All of those terms are scams. How do you get a credit privacy number? It's essentially a 9-digit number that is formatted like a social security number. In fact, the people who give you a CPN, a credit profile number, credit privacy number, credit protection number, etc., are using 9 numbers that are normally just random numbers through a number generator, but sometimes it can be attached to actual social security numbers. So by using them, you may potentially be committing identity theft by taking over the social security number and attaching your things to somebody else. How are they advertised? The reason why I wanted to answer this question is because I am seeing them more and more lately, especially on Facebook groups, and they are being touted as the acronym CPN. So if you see CPN, run away. Again, it's a scam. Now, a lot of people who are offering these CPN packages are offering them with documents like fake social security cards. They may offer pay stubs. They may offer letters of employment, etc., tied to these CPNs. All of those documents are forgeries. They are falsified. Again, scam. And a lot of people don't realize, but it can land you in really hot water because these are federal crimes if you are using these numbers in place of your actual social security number. Now, I want to mention that a lot of people bring up CPNs and that they are like, oh yeah, I got it from my credit repair person. If you are getting it from a credit repair person, I want you to know that that credit repair person is not legit. So please, again, if you see CPN, credit privacy number, or oh yeah, I can give you this number so that way you can protect your identity and not actually have to use your social security number when you're applying for loans, etc. That's a scam. What are the risks for using a credit protection number? You can potentially get fined. There has been cases where people have received jail time for it. And as I've mentioned earlier, it is a crime, so you can get a felony. Using a fake number instead of your actual social security number is providing false information. So when you are applying for loans and credit, etc., it actually becomes a federal crime because you are providing false information. Another way that people get caught with CPNs is because the CPN numbers that they were given to you actually were attached to either a deceased person or a child, because the Social Security Administration does have trigger points in order to verify social security numbers, and it will flag if it is a deceased person, and it can flag for minors, especially if a parent puts in to be notified for their minors. So yeah, again, I'm just letting you know that CPNs are a scam. Don't use it. You're wasting your money. And I unfortunately am seeing it more and more common in credit repair groups, in credit information groups, as well as just in person talking to some people. And it's really disheartening because it can really hurt those people's lives, especially those who are already having a hard time with their credit. This could make it even worse for them. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're a subscriber, thanks so much for being a part of the channel. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you found this video helpful enough to consider subscribing, because that would be really cool. Please share this video with a friend because again, CPN is making its routes around the internet again, and I really would love to help prevent more people from being scammed. So as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!